Hey everyone, this is Tim from YourSixStudios. Today in this video, I'm going to go and show you how to unlock your games and applications on your PlayStation 5. So let's go ahead and jump into the video right now. So if you're trying to play a game or application on your PlayStation 5 and you have this lock symbol by the game, well, it's very easy to unlock the game or application. So if we're on the home screen here, let's go up to the top and go to Settings and select this. Then go on down to Users and Accounts. Now under here, let's scroll on down to Other. Now go to Restore Licenses. Now this says Restore Licenses for downloaded content you can't use. Now let's select this. If you become unable to use content you downloaded from the PlayStation Store, there might be a problem with the licenses for the content. Try restoring the licenses. So many times when I press X on this and restore the licenses, this will fix my problems when my games are locked and I can't play them. And it typically takes me about 3 to 4 minutes for my licenses to restore. I have about 1,000 licenses I need to go through. And if you do cancel out of this when you're restoring the licenses, you will get a lock screen by most of your games. So go ahead and let this complete fully. Okay, so my licenses have been restored. Let's press OK and go back to my games now and see if I have a lock symbol by them. And as you can see, the Elder Scrolls Online doesn't have a lock symbol, nor does Share Factory. Now, the other way to fix this is by going to Settings, going back to Users and Accounts, go back to Other, and make sure you have console sharing and offline play enabled. Allow anyone who uses this PlayStation 5 to play your games and media, even when the console is offline. So let's select this and go on over to Enable. It says you don't have a PS5 with console sharing and offline play enabled. Let's press X on Enabled. If I go to my name right here and go to Switch Users, you can see my main account, Timble Slice, has PlayStation Plus. Now, when I play my games and applications on my other accounts, PlayStation Plus will be shared. So make sure you do that on your main account you buy video games and you have PlayStation Plus with. So hopefully this video did indeed help you guys out. If it did, go ahead and leave a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below for more tech out videos coming up next on YourSixStudios.